It's Christmas time, y'all. Christmas is finally here. Oh, yes, I got my baby, and the fire's blazing. A wonderful time of the year. There's presents, so many up under the tree. All I wanna open is you right now. That'll be good enough for me. Baby, I gotta tell you the truth. The Christmas just ain't Christmas without you.
Hey, my simply beautiful people. You all read the title, so we're going to get right on into it. is where I store all my candles, guys. I'm so glad I got that. Got a chance to clean up all that dust that was under there. So, you guys, if you see this beautiful gift here, gift of goodies, my cousin and his wife, she bakes. She even bakes some sugar-free cookies sometimes. And so, yes, they brought us some. I wasn't here. They gave it to my husband. I missed them. But thank you so much. Shout out to them. I don't know if they want me to say their names on here, but they know who they are. And I just wanted to say thank you and love you guys. Mwah. Y'all, I had to pause for a minute because my daughter has came in here doing something mighty strange that I've never heard of before.
The TV told me.
Hold on. Show them your nails. Pretty good job. I mean, they're actually cute. Okay. Now, why are you dipping them in cold water?
The TV told me if you put your nails in ice cold water, it'll dry faster.
Wow.
But it's cold.
I ain't never heard that before in my life. I've never heard that. Ice cold water. Let me see your nails again. So, are they drying? Have you tested them out?
This hand already dry. I know what I was doing.
Well, stick them in there. Let me see. And it don't mess the paint up.
No. But it froze my arm.
Oh. Yeah, right. I've never heard that before in my life, but it is what it is, I guess. But back to work. My break is over.
I don't know if this is gonna help us get some brownie points with Pringles, but they, once you pop fun, don't stop.
Y'all, my husband is something serious. I don't know what he did, but I'm gonna put it in here. It's gonna stay in the video. Come get y'all jackets and stuff. Here. Here, come on, Samara. Alright. This is yours. And Janelle, this is yours. Jaira, this is yours. Come on. Here you go. I'm running out of no pants on.
This is mine.
Okay.
And this is mine.
All right, go. You're trying to hide your legs. What's the hand at to Jaira? Here. Get that. Yeah.
Decline that. Hey, that's dumb.
Here's Samara.
Mama.
Well, these are y'all jackets. Hang them up. Don't throw them on y'all bed. Hang them up. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed my little cleaning video of my kitchen, dining, sitting, and family room. So, yeah, it can get messy, you guys. And this was one of the lighter days. It wasn't just that bad, but it can look like a tornado at times. But once again, thank y'all for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. I always ask for a thumbs up. Y'all, come on. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just hit the little button. Just hit the little thumbs up. But it's okay if you don't. That's fine. I'm still gonna ask. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna ask. But if you're new, subscribe. We would love to have you a part of our family. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and watching us. And we will see you all tomorrow. And y'all, Christmas is almost here. Wow. I'm done. I'm actually done. I want to get my husband one more thing because he don't even know. He asked for this just out the blue. You know what I'm saying? It really wasn't asking. He just mentioned it. It is something so simple. Y'all will see you on Christmas. But one more thing. I'm done. I'm through. So thank y'all once again for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.